Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Ashram Malayala. So as you all know, today is October 2nd and tomorrow is October 3rd, the date of JEE Advanced 2021. So all those who have a dream of joining IITs, so tomorrow is the D-Day for all of them. Excel batch for droppers JEE Mains and Advanced is starting on 6th October 2021. You can see the faculty over here. So if you want to join this batch, use the link in the description as well as my code CharanYT, for which you will get 10% instant discount. So these are some of the achievements of Unacademy, and Unacademy biggest weekly scholarship test is again back. So you can win 4 word scholarship. You can give this exam from your mobile, and this exam is at every Sunday 11 a.m. So to unlock this test, use the link and use my code CharanYT, which is totally a free test. I also take regularly classes on Unacademy. If you want to listen those classes, just click on the profile link in the description and click on follow. So whenever I take a class, you will get a notification. The things you need to carry to the exam center are: first thing will be ID card, original ID card, it be driving license, voter ID, Aadhaar card, anything. It should be original, government issued. Second thing will be admit card of JEE Advanced. You should fill the undertaking and also should have the sign of you and your parents with the date. So on which date you are signing on it, that also should be mentioned. And you need to take only one copy. You need to take 2 copies of admit card. So before the paper to start, that 1 copy they will take. And second thing will be, third thing will be mask, the transparent sanitizer, it should not be colored, and transparent water bottle if you want to drink water during the exam. And they will not provide you water there due to COVID protocols. And pen or pencil, you should carry your own pen or pencil. And so regarding the dressing and all, so they only mentioned that you shouldn't wear the shoes. Okay, so you should wear chappals or sandals, and you shouldn't carry any wallets, electronic devices, handbags, any rough papers. They will provide you scribble pad, and that scribble pad you can use for rough work. What you have to do is today, please sleep as early as possible and eat light food. Don't take heavy or junk food in today's night, so that may react you tomorrow during the exam or before the exam. And wake up early in the morning, so based on how much journey you have to do to the center, so based on that plan your day tomorrow. Okay, and take very light breakfast. So and that thing, and report by 7 a.m. so at least try to reach by 7:30 or else. Okay, 7:30, before 8 if you reach. Before 8:30 you should enter to the center through, inside the center you should complete the registration process and all. And for the next 25 minutes, after 8:30 to 9 o'clock your paper starts, right? Before that you should go through the instructions given to you. Paper pattern and all instructions will be clearly mentioned on your screen, so you have to read that. It at least takes 20 minutes to get each and every clear information of the paper. And next exam starts at, of course, 9 a.m. and the second paper is at 2:30 p.m. And during the exam, what you have to do is first start with the easy subject, and from the easy subject select that question from the easy concept. For me, for example, chemistry is easy. From that, what I will do, I will try to find if there is a question from chemical kinetics or not, because that is easy for me. So like this, try to choose the easy subject, which majority of the students do, but also select the easy topic in that particular subject. So you can see the question paper at once, right? I think most of you already aware of that option. You can go through all the questions and choose that question which is easy for you from your easy topic. Okay, and read the questions 2 to 3 times if possible, and be cool and be confident about your preparation. And calculation mistakes, please take care of calculation, silly mistakes. So don't just be in hurry, just be cool. After the paper 1 and before the paper 2, what you have to do is, I already said in the previous video, please don't do paper discussion even with friends or parents. So ask your parents, so please don't ask anything after paper 1. So say them clearly that ask about the paper after paper 2 only. Okay, so between paper 1 and paper 2, just take rest, eat very light food. So don't eat heavy food, that may create issues in the paper 2. And also enter the exam hall before time and with very positive vibes. Don't worry about the paper 1, how you gave or how the paper was. So leave about everything and just enter the paper 2 like exam hall for paper 2 with fresh mind and positive vibes. That's it. So these are all the tips. I think if you follow them, I'm sure you will surely get very good score in JEE Advanced. So these are simple things, but many students don't do this, so they will miss these things. So that's why I'm remembering you again. So if you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.